Well, finally we're on the active sea. So, found myself a nice little bit of paradise here, Penarvin Cove, my own. Made a temporary shelter on the deck, because I've got the stove on. What I'm going to do tonight is make some bread. I need to make some bread. Well, I need to cook dinner as well. So that's what I'm going to do. And if you've seen my previous bread making attempts, shackle bread, previous episode, you'll know that things are going to get better. A lot better. You'll be amazed. So what I am intending to do now is I've made my dough, I put it in this baking tin, and that's going to go on here. On top of the stove here. I fold it over these rails so they act like a trivet. So let's do that. Okay, so we've done that. And then my piece de resistance is this stainless steel pot, which goes over the top. Sorry about the lack of light, but you get the idea. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Everyone else is asleep, but I'm making bread. So, in an hour's time we'll have bread. I've got to turn it halfway through. See what happens. Et voila! I was up to like 3. And here we have our loaf. So, having been on board for about 4 days now, 3-4 days, a difference that I'm noticing, because obviously it's very different from my smaller boat sailing, is massive amounts of space, is the fact that I can just camp out here on the back deck on an evening with the wood burner going and all that. Brilliant. Getting used to the boat a bit. I've got a few issues I've got to sort out. The clanky mast and my gaff jewels. I've got leather on the insides of the jewels, but it seems to be gripping the mast, and I'm not sure whether that needs to change. Something else. I've got the reefing lines, downhaul lines on the jib now, so I can drop that down from back here. So there's things to improve upon. I'm still making improvements. There's things that are temporary. The sail I got here for the boat's very old, but it's okay. It's a bit grubby at the top, but it's alright. So it's all good. I had a good day sailing yesterday. I had the tender flying. I shouldn't have gone out and breathed towing the tender because it was a bit too much for the tender, but bless it, it made it all the way out and all the way back without coming apart or flipping over. So that was good. I'm having a lazy day. There's not much wind anyway to speak of. I'm low on electric. I've been trying not to use the petrol outboard. I've got it on board, it's back up, the 6 horse. I don't like the way it sits a bit high on the transom, so it clears the back. So I've got it with me if I need it, which I might do tomorrow in stronger winds and things. But at the minute, the idea was to use electric, but I've been using more of that because I've had to motor in and out the river to get past all the people, all the noise. So we'll see. It's the Welram gathering in a few days' time, so I'm hoping to get over there and attend that. So far, my most concerning issues are that I've got something clonking around in the mast, which is driving me mad. I need to drop the mast to have a look up to see what it is. I don't think I can necessarily even remove it. But maybe I can put some close-held foam, like pipe lagging up, stop it banging around. That's one thing. Another thing is I've come from small boats, as you know. I've always had small boats, so it's quite a bit more to handle in some ways. So I've got to get used to that. But I am getting used to that. I have sailed through the morning several times with a fair wind, so you know, that's good. My wing sail's a bit tatty. The top zip's not so good. Came apart again, but it doesn't seem to make any difference. So it's only a little bit of it. I'm going to show you Penarvin here. As we go, we'll go up here. So we're kind of opposite Bar Beach there. One of my old haunts. A favourite in my little boat here. Great in the southwesterly, because this corner here is completely sheltered. And you've got water most of the tide. Well, here we are. Newsborough out. Didn't think I was going to make it out at one point this year. This mast changeover took me a lot longer than planned. one of the great things about Halford. Is the walks and the oak woods that surround it. If you enjoyed this video, then hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, that really helps me out, and I'll see you on the next one.